Starting to hear thunder outside. Let me turn my radio on. Make sure it's not too loud for the video. Let me turn it down here. There. In case any emergency alerts come up when I'm filming. Ow. Okay. Now the chains are gonna hit against the glass. They're gonna hit against the glass now. Yeah, the wobble kind of increases, but then it goes down when you turn it on low. Not entirely sure what brand this is. Oh, it's a sticker on the top. Made in Thailand. Wow. Oh, looks like there's a date on it. Come on, you damn thing. I'm guessing that's the date there. Right there. March of 1992. Wow. This fan's 6 years older than me. I was at a diner one time and they had something identical to this. They had the same type of globes and same motor look, but the finish was different. But it was pretty much identical though. So, all right. On to the Lasko.